The Himalayan mountain range is home to some of the most specialized wildlife on Earth, with many species having evolved unique traits to survive extreme cold, low oxygen, and rugged terrain. The snow leopard. The snow leopard, Panthera uncia, often called the ghost of the mountains, is an apex predator perfectly adapted to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. They cannot roar. Their vocal cords lack a certain pad of fibroelastic tissue that lions and tigers have. Instead, they hiss, chuff, and growl. Their paws are exceptionally wide and covered in fur, which helps them walk on deep snow without sinking and protects their pads from the frozen ground. Their powerful hind legs allow them to leap up to 9 meters, 30 feet, in a single bound, 6 times their body length.
The golden eagle. The golden eagle, Aquila crucidos, is one of the most powerful and widely distributed birds of prey in the world, but the Himalayan subspecies is particularly legendary for its size and hunting prowess in the thin mountain are in the Himalayas. These eagles are the undisputed masters of the sky. They are often seen soaring at altitudes over 5,000 meters, using thermal updrafts to glide for hours with minimal effort. They get their name from the shimmering golden-brown feathers on the back of their heads and necks. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet. This massive surface area is essential for staying aloft in the low-density air of high altitudes. The Himalayan brown bear. The Himalayan brown bear, Ursus arctos isabelinus, is one of the most ancient and rare subspecies of the brown bear. Found in the high-altitude meadows and subalpine forests of the Himalayas, it is often called the red bear by locals due to its distinct sandy or reddish-brown coat. These bears are smaller than their cousins, the North American grizzly or the Eurasian brown bear, but they are perfectly adapted for the rugged, high-elevation terrain. Their fur is usually a light tan or reddish color, which provides camouflage against the brown summer grasses of the Himalayan plateaus. They have long, relatively straight claws. Unlike the curved claws of climbing bears, these are shovels designed for digging out roots, tubers, and burrowing marmots. The Himalayan tahr. The Himalayan tahr, Hemitragus gymlahicus, is a majestic, large ungulate closely related to the wild goat. It is specially adapted to survive the harsh, vertical world of the Himalayan mountain range. One of their most striking features is the long, shaggy mane that adult males grow in the winter. This reddish to dark brown coat covers their neck and shoulders, extending down to their front legs to provide warmth against icy winds. Both males and females have horns, though the males are larger and thicker. They curve upward, backward, and then inward, reaching lengths of up to 45 centimeters. They possess unique, rubbery hooves with a hard outer rim. This allows them to grip smooth, steep rock faces where other animals might slip. The yak, Bos grunions, is the true powerhouse of the high altitudes. These massive, shaggy bovines are not just animals. They're the lifeline for mountain communities, providing transportation, warmth, and food in areas where most other livestock would perish. Yaks are evolutionarily designed to live at elevations where oxygen levels are half of what they are at sea level. They typically thrive between 3,000 and 6,000 meters. Unlike other mammals, yaks have extraordinarily large lungs and hearts. Their blood also has a high concentration of red blood cells, allowing them to transport oxygen with incredible efficiency in the thin mountain air. They have a thick, matted outer coat of long hair, which can reach the ground, and a dense, woolly undercoat that traps heat. This allows them to withstand temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius. The Tibetan wolf, Canis lupus chanco, is a fascinating subspecies of the gray wolf that has adapted to one of the most hostile environments on the planet, the high-altitude Tibetan Plateau and the Himalayas. While most animals struggle with oxygen at high altitudes, the Tibetan wolf has undergone a genetic mutation that allows it to thrive. Research shows that Tibetan wolves possess specific genetic adaptations in their hypoxia-inducible factor, HIF pathway. This allows their blood to carry oxygen more efficiently than wolves living at sea level, preventing the altitude sickness that would kill other canines. Genetic studies suggest that the Tibetan wolf is one of the most ancient lineages of wolves, predating the split between many other gray wolf subspecies. Some scientists even believe they're the closest living relatives to the ancestors of domestic dogs.